What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to look at some Sword and Shield booster boxes from Battle Styles to Silver Tempest, and we're going to be looking at eBay to see how many are on the market and try and get a better idea of when the next leg up is going to come for some of these booster boxes. So to set the stage, we have a chart here. Not the best chart, but it'll work for what we're trying to do. We have our set over here. We have current market price from TCG Player. We have booster box supply on eBay. And this is before a 20% increase, because I want to get an idea of when we're going to see these boxes start to move up. So for example, Fusion Strike, the current market price, $477 approximately. 20% increase would be $572. There are 40 boxes on the market. If you go through here and you look at all these listings and you open them up, because some are multi-quantity. So if you add up all the boxes from multi-quantity listings, there are 40 boxes below $572 USD, and they're selling at 3.86 boxes per day, and we're going to basically take this number, divide by this number to get how many days before the leg up. Now, this doesn't mean, for example, in Fusion Strike, there's 40 boxes, they're selling at 3.86 a day. That's basically 10.36 days of inventory. I'm not saying in 10 days we're going to see this box at $572, because the reality is more people can add boxes to eBay, and as the price goes up, more people are going to trickle boxes onto the website. Sellers could have more than one box listed. For example, this multi-quantity listing says 3 available, but a lot of listings, you only have one that you can buy, but most of those sellers could have more than one box, whereas when the listing sells, they basically just relist it, maybe at a slightly higher price, and put up one more box again, and they just continue to do that. So there's definitely more boxes out there than what I'm able to count. But either way, we'll start with Battle Styles. Current market price $182.43. 20% increase would be $218. There's 106 boxes on the market below that price, selling at 2.57 boxes a day. That's about 41 and a quarter days before we see a 20% increase. Chilling Reign sitting around $331-ish right now. I thought Chilling Reign closer to $300 was undervalued. It's now sitting around $320, so it's come up a little bit. But there's 64 boxes of supply before a 20% increase, which would be around $385. And they're only selling at 1.57 boxes a day. Now, I should say, I basically went to sold listings and I counted the past week from the 16th all the way through the 10th. And then I just took that number and divided it by 7 days. So maybe I should have done 14 days or 30 days or whatever, but I figured after 7 days, it would give you a decent idea of how many are selling on a daily basis. And I also didn't include cases. So if a case sold, I didn't include 6 boxes. I left that data out because I think sealed cases are an entirely different thing. If it was an opened case, I did count it, but sealed cases I ignored. So yeah, there you go. Only 1.57 boxes selling a day. That's a bit surprising to me. To me, that seems a little bit low. The fact that more boxes of Battle Styles are selling is interesting. So 41-ish days there as well. There's a lot of Chilling Reign out there. Next up, you have your Evolving Skies around $1,300 approximately, $1,292.47. 68 boxes of supply before a 20% increase, which would be $1,550, almost $1,551. And they're selling 3.57 boxes per day. And this should just be proof to you guys that always say, in the future, you're not going to be able to sell expensive boxes. That's just not always the case, right? Even if a box is expensive, like Evolving Skies, you're still going to be able to sell it if there's demand there. So a lot of these sales are actually from sellers that only have like 20, 30, 40, 50 feedback. Not a ton, just regular people that had a couple boxes that are now leaking them out onto the market. So it's going to be very easy for you guys in the future to sell sought after sets, if that makes sense, even if they're over $1,000. But either way, at this rate, we have about 19 days of inventory before we see a 20% increase in price. Fusion Strike, we already discussed this, $477, 20% increase around $572, 40 boxes on the market, 3.86 a day, selling a fair amount. That's about 10 days of inventory. Brilliant Star is a very surprising one here, sitting around $290-ish. There's 27 boxes of supply before 20% increase, which is around $350 USD, and selling at 4 boxes a day, which is the highest rate, tied with Lost Origin. But selling at 4 a day, that's only 6.75 days of inventory before a 20% increase in price. And again, I'm not saying within a week Brilliant Star is going to be $350, but it does seem at this current price, a lot of people are buying it. There's not a ton of supply out there. I'm sure more people add boxes as it goes into the 300s, but People are liking the set around that 290 price range. Next up, Astral Radiance around 270, 20% increase, 323. 21 boxes of supply on the market, but only selling 1.29 a day over the past week. That's 16.28 days of inventory there. Kind of surprising. And maybe it's just because I only took a week's data. Maybe I should have looked at the sales volume for 2 weeks or a month, and maybe it'd be slightly different then, but not as popular as some of these other sets. Lost Origin 381 a box approximately. It has dropped off a little bit from around 400. 45 on the market below 458 USD. 4 a day, that's about 11.25 days of inventory before we see that leg up. And then finally, Silver Tempest around $272 a box. 89 boxes on the market below 327 USD, selling 3 a day, which is still a decent rate, but there are a lot of boxes out there. That's about a month worth of inventory before we see that leg up. So you guys let me know in the comments down below, like always, what you think of this type of video. If you want to see more of this, again, it's not entirely accurate. It'd be very difficult to get a perfect idea of how much is out there. I just think it's interesting to look at this. And I mean, Brilliant Stars, like there really is not that much on the market currently, which is surprising to me. I think the other big takeaway from this video though is that Evolving Skies, even at its current price, it's selling very consistently, even from sellers that don't have a ton of feedback. Like it's not large stores anymore selling these boxes, guys. Most of the large stores have already gotten rid of a lot of their boxes. These are just your average Joes that have a couple boxes put away, maybe a case, and they're slowly leaking them onto the market. So don't be afraid to invest in these more expensive sets from Sword and Shield, Sun and Moon, whatever, because you're more than likely going to be able to offload them in the future. With that said, thank you so much for watching the video. Stay safe wherever you are in the world, and I'll catch you in the next one.